Hello Internet, my name is Hexa, and in today's video I will be unboxing my haul of the 2020 Lush Valentine's Day collection. I'm filming this video at my boyfriend's house. I've never filmed here before, but it seems quite fitting for Valentine's Day. So yeah, this box smells amazing. I'm very, very excited. I did not get the entire collection, just because, you know, money, but I did get most of it, and you know, just picked up the things that seemed most my speed and like I would enjoy them the most. So without any further ado, let's dive into this box and see what's inside. Let's try not to cut our fingers off today. All right, so as per usual, this box is full of these biodegradable packing peanuts, which you can just throw in the sink and they dissolve. These can be all over the bed. Peter's gonna kill me, but it's fine, it's fine, we're chill, it's good. All right, so the first thing I see in here is the Prince Charming Shower Gel, of which I got 500 milliliters. I never had the chance to smell this in store, so I have no idea what it smells like. I'm just really hoping that I like it, but I do believe it has pomegranate in it, so let's see. First of all, the color is beautiful. I love this like raspberry or pomegranate sort of color that it has, and I'm sorry if you hear any crashing and smashing. There are some very crazy children living upstairs. Nothing much I can do about that. Smells a little bit, you know, citrusy, fruity, fresh. It's a very nice, very pleasant smell. So I like that. I think I'm gonna enjoy this. Next up inside this box, we have the Peachy Bath Bomb. This looks so pretty and so cute. This is like a work of art. There's like a little bit of glitter on it. There's like shading and everything to make it look like a real peach. It has a nice light milky sort of scent with peachy notes as well. This isn't a too intense or too strong scent, so I think I like that. I got a mini of the Nana Shower Gel. In hindsight, I think this product's name is actually pronounced Nana because it contains banana in the ingredients, but when I was filming this, I was thinking Nana, like My Chemical Romance's song, so anyways, it's actually Nana, I'm pretty sure. Which isn't technically part of the Valentine's Day collection. I think it's a new permanent item, but it got released around the same time, so I just figured I'd pick it up and see how it is. It smells amazing. I actually like this a lot. It has like it's like a caramel toffee sort of scent, which I am a huge fan of any like dessert kind of smells, anything vanilla or caramel or chocolate. So this is really nice. It's a very, yeah, caramelly toffee sort of scent. Love that. If you're a fan of dessert smells at all, Nana, I think, will definitely be up your alley. It's hard to find stuff with all these little packing peanuts, so I'm kind of digging here to to find my items. Ooh, I think I have grabbed onto a soap. Ooh, okay. So this is the Peachy Soap. It's a little bit smaller than I expected it to be. I thought it would be like kind of like the, you know, like the bath bomb, like 3D, like a sphere, but it's actually flat. So it's rounded on one side, but then it's flat on the other. So it's a little bit smaller than I expected, but again, same kind of like light, slightly peachy, slightly milky scent. Ooh, in here we have the eggplant or aubergine soap again. Ooh, this is really nice. This kind of like, this just smells like a Lush store, you know? I don't know what this scent reminds me of. It's a little bit citrusy, again, very fruity. It's a little bit stronger than the peachy scent, but I actually think I like the smell of this a lot more than peachy. Peachy is also nice, but I prefer this one. It literally smells like a Lush store. Like it's got, I don't know, the scents in this just kind of sum up the smell that hits you right when you walk into a Lush shop. That's nice. Okay, I'm super happy I got that. Similarly, we also got the aubergine bath bomb. Again, this is an amazing scent. Oh my gosh. I might have to pick up a few more of these. I don't use bath bombs that much. I tend to hoard them because, you know, I just feel like it's a lot of money to spend on something that you'll only use once. So I didn't pick up all of the bath bombs from the Valentine's collection just because I feel like it just ends up sitting, waiting for an occasion special enough to use up a product that you spent like €5 or €6 on, you know? But wow, this smells phenomenal. That's actually why I got the hand soap versions of these, was just so that I could have something that I can use for a little bit longer. I might have to pick up a few extras of the aubergine soap and bath bomb. These smell really, really good. I can't describe it exactly, but I mean, I didn't look on the website beforehand. I'm just describing it as I smell it, but it smells citrusy and like a Lush shop. So it's an amazing smell. Up next over here, I see something spiky and pointy, which can only be the unicorn bubble bar. Unicorn horn bubble bar. This one smells a lot like Sleepy. I think it might be exactly the Sleepy scent, but I'm not entirely sure. But yeah, it's got definitely got lavender in it. It's a little bit glittery. This is very nice. This is right up my alley. I love these sorts of like, yeah, lavender, relaxing, calming scents. So this is awesome. I heard some rumors that this was coming back as a permanent item, but on the Lush Germany site, it says it's limited edition. So I don't know what's what. I don't know if it's limited edition still or if it's permanent. Either way, it smells very nice. If I'm not mistaken, which I don't think I am, I think that is it for everything that I bought. So what's missing here from the Valentine's collection or from the recent releases that came out together with the Valentine's collections, like I think there were a couple lip scrubs and like the butterfly bath bomb, the Love Boat bath bomb, and the one that looks like a heart and has like little things inside it. But I didn't get those just because, like I said, I tend to just hoard bath bombs and always feel like there's never an occasion special enough to use a bath bomb, just because they're nice and they're worth the price, but I myself just keep on being like, oh, I can only use a bath bomb on like my birthday or something. And then even then I'm like, I don't feel like a bath, blah. Anyways, but I did ask them to send me some samples, which if you don't know, whenever you go to Lush in store or online, you can just ask for samples or for little testers and they will give you some. So when I ordered this stuff, I put in the little comments box to send me a few samples. So here it is, my little bag of samples. So let's see what they got me. First, I have the Ocean Salt Face and Body Scrub. Ooh, I've never used that. I've never bought that. I know what it is, but I've never used it, so that's nice. Here is the Pansy Body Lotion. I think that's one of the relatively new ones. I think it came out a few months ago. Again, never smelled this or tried it. Ooh, that smells nice. My nose is a little bit overwhelmed by all the scents, but it smells nice. It reminds me of something that I know, but I can't tell what. It smells like something that I know, but I can't tell. I can't put my finger on what it is. Ooh, okay. So this is, I don't know what this is, but there's a little label in here. So I think that must have come off of this. Trichomania Solid Shampoo. All right. This one feels a lot more creamy than the other solid shampoos or shampoo bars that I've used. So I don't think it's a shampoo bar. It's a solid shampoo, not a shampoo bar. So it's something different. Smells pretty like neutral, pretty light, and not very in your face. I feel like this would be good for anyone. And then we have one more item in here. Ooh. Oh, this is the American Cream Naked Shower Gel. American Cream, again, I've never used this. I've never smelled it in store. This is also just like, it's so light. I think I've read on the website that it's supposed to have like strawberry and vanilla sort of scents, but this is just so light. It's such a delicate scent. Again, if you're not into super strong scents, I feel like this would be right up your alley. Cool. All right. I'm really happy with that. All 4 of the samples that I got are things I've never tried before, so I'm really happy about that. I always love a good chance to try a few new things and experiment a little bit. So yeah, that was it for today's Lush unboxing. I am super excited to dig into all of these products. I think out of the things that I ordered this time around, the ones I am most excited for are the Nana Shower Gel, the Unicorn Horn Bubble Bar, and definitely the Aubergine Soap and Bath Bomb. I don't know what it is about that scent, but it is amazing. I love that smell so much. Prince Charming, I think I'm gonna like it as well, but I haven't quite, whoops, I think I just got some on my nose. I haven't quite pinpointed the scent yet. I'm not exactly sure what it smells like or what the scent reminds me of. Quick little update from editing Hexa. I've since actually used the Prince Charming shower gel, and when you're using it in the shower is when the geranium oil really comes out, and I love geranium. It's one of my favorite floral scents, so I really can't complain about the smell of this. I love it. But it smells good. It doesn't, I mean, there's been other shower gels from Lush that I just haven't liked at all, and that's not at all the case with this. It's not like what I would typically go for. Like I said, I usually go for either lavender or like dessert scents, but this is really nice. And the aubergine is something that was pretty unexpected and also not what I would normally go for, but it smells phenomenal. I don't know, it just smells like a Lush shop. All right, guys, I hope this video gave you a little bit more insight into the new products from the limited edition Valentine's Day collection at Lush. Let me know in the comments if you're picking anything up from this collection, or if you recommend anything that I haven't bought but that you think I would enjoy or that you've really enjoyed. I'm thinking of going and picking up the I don't know what it's called, but it's like a massage bar or something that is shaped like a naked person's butt. But it looks pretty fun, so I might pick that up. I'm not sure yet though. My hands are stained a little bit pink right now from something. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please remember to subscribe and click the notification bell to be notified every single time I upload. Also, if you want more content from me, you can go check out my Instagram accounts, which are linked down below, where I post a lot of makeup photos and product shots and things like that. I love Lush. I'm so excited to dig into my new goodies. I've been waiting for this package for ages, and I cannot believe I had the patience to wait to open it. I think I got it like yesterday or the day before, and I had to wait to open it. And I waited. I was patient. Thanks again for watching this video, Lushies, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!